Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the new MOCA token from MOCAVERSE. Now MOCAVERSE is a well-established project. They have a NFT collection. There's all sorts of stuff involved with MOCAVERSE here. Very big project. If you look at their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. They have a lot of Twitter followers. The MOCA Foundation, at MOCA Foundation, has almost 500,000 Twitter followers on there. And then there is also the MOCAVERSE that has 694,900 Twitter followers on there. So like I said, very well established project, lots of followers, and they are dropping the new MOCA token, ticker symbol MOCA, and we're going to go over the information on this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So first of all, MOCAVERSE is the membership NFT collection for ANIMOCA brand. So I mean, if you're into crypto for a while, I'm sure you've heard of ANIMOCA brands. They're partners with tons of other crypto projects. I see them all over the place listed in partner sections on crypto web pages. So MOCAVERSE is the membership NFT collection for ANIMOCA brands. Extraordinary family of companies, projects, investments, shareholders, and partners. This collection will represent our values surrounding Web3 and digital property rights, as well as our one-of-a-kind ecosystem. So they have a Medium. You can find it at medium.com/MOCAVERSE. And Medium has, new announcement articles. Basically, they post of what's going on with different projects. So you can find tons of different new Medium articles about all sorts of things involved in the MOCAVERSE with ANIMOCA brands. So they have something like an article here that's new. MocaID and Pixelmon. Meet your Pixel Pal. So you can learn all about that. Then they have the newest one is The Crafting Machine, Code Crafting and Activation Guide. They have another one called MocaID and 9 Chronicles. And yeah, they just go through a whole bunch of different things involved with their project. But one of the newest Medium articles here, it says, craft your way to the MOCA token. And it says the MOCA community public sale is here. So this is where they talk about their new MOCA token that is dropping. And you can find new announcements about it all over their Twitter as well. Like I said, I'm going to put their Twitter up here. So it says, with community being always top of mind, the MOCA token community public sale provides priority and exclusive access to those who firmly believe in our vision and building the largest interoperable cultural economy in the Web3 space. As a token of our appreciation, that's kind of like a pun there, as a token of our appreciation, the community public sale allocation is exclusive to MOCAVERSE NFT holders. So looks like the first sale here is going to go to people who already have MOCAVERSE NFTs or MocaID users and strategic partnered communities with the most advantageous vesting schedule out of all MOCA token allocations. So if you're in one of those 3 groups, then you most likely will have earlier access than other people to the new MOCA token. We're excited and honored to share the success of our ecosystem with our community, and we can't wait to take you into the next adventure. So it says crafting period goes from March 28th all the way till April 11th a.m. UTC time. It says introducing the crafting machine. So that's what the new article is about, or their newest article, I should say, on Medium is specifically more information about this crafting machine. So crafting machine is a core component of MOCAVERSE's meta layer with cross-platform gamification. Crafting will be a long-standing mechanism, and more variations of crafting will be introduced in the near future. Imagine collecting resources by participating in multiple games and crafting them into something juicy. Well, realm points being a season-based marathon leading to ongoing rewards. Shard Rush, which is one of the games there, is the Fortnite-based sprint subject to expiry leading to immediate rewards. Shard is only one of the resources in the future ecosystem, which can be crafted into various kinds of items. In this chapter, you can craft shards into community public sale guaranteed and whitelist codes. Interesting. So there's all sorts of different ways that you can get on this whitelist for this public sale here. So then they have info specifically about the public sale. It says, before running off with public sale code crafting and Shard Rush, it's imperative that all participants understand the details of the MOCA public sale. So first of all, there is a total supply of 8,888,888,888 tokens. Token allocation for the community public sale is only going to be 126,984,127 MOCA tokens. They have the lot size, token vesting terms, funding methods, USDT, USDC, prerequisite gated by MocaID, eligibility. Everyone with MocaID can participate with priority in this order. MOCA, NFT, guaranteed codes, whitelist codes, and the rest of MocaID. I think I saw something, it might have been on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, where you use like your diamonds or your jewels or whatever, or candies, whichever one it was, I can't remember, where you can get a MocaID using your candies. So that might still be available on either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap if you have accounts for those, so I would check that out. So I do remember seeing use candies for MocaID or whatever. So that could be one way to get a MocaID if you don't have it. That event might be over though, so don't quote me on that. Now it says you'll need a MocaID to participate in the public sale. For MOCA NFT holders, do make sure you have linked your NFTs to your MocaID to access your allocations in the sale. The public sale will be conducted on a licensed platform with battle-tested KYC infrastructure. To comply with regional regulations, it's mandatory that all users who participate in the public sale be KYC'd. Residents of the US, Canada, China, and certain jurisdictions will be excluded from the public sale. So, if you're in any of those countries, unfortunately, you're not allowed to be in this public sale. So, this is for anyone who's not in Canada, US, or China. MOCAVERSE will not be able to access any of the KYC information except this status. And then it says participating in MOCA public sale may get you the multiplier in the near future reward distribution. Stay tuned for more details. So there's more details in these Medium articles about all this stuff here. But like I said, if you're in those three countries, unfortunately, you are out of the public sale. So if you're in Europe or Mexico or any other country besides those three countries, you're in, or you can be in if you like. And yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.